this is the desk that I use as my vanity. So I just have this chair here, and I got this at Ross for about $70. This is where I store my makeup brushes. So this one, I like to use it for my eye brushes. So this is going to be any small brushes for eyeshadows, concealer, anything for under the eye, brushes like that. And I like to use this one for that because her eyes are closed, so I felt like that was cute for eye brushes. And this one is for face, and I chose face because of the red cheeks. I got these two cups at Home Goods or Marshall's, and they were $5.99 each, and I thought they were super cute. This one is my face brushes, so I have any, you know, contour blush, all over face, powder, highlight brushes. Those go there. And then this cup is just some brushes that I used on a client the other day, so they are dirty and I need to wash those, so I just set those aside on this little cup. And then I have this mirror back here. This is usually the mirror I use when I film, so it's just a magnify. This is the other side of my vanity slash desk. This is a frame that I got at Marshall's. This was $7.99, and this is one of my favorite scriptures. It says, cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. So I have that. And then behind that, I just have a little makeup bag. I just saved that back there. And then here, I have this little beauty blender holder, and this beauty blender is dirty, so I have it there so I can wash it. And then to the side, I just have a couple of creams that I use daily just so I don't store them away in my drawer set. I have these Kirkland face towelettes. These are my favorite face wipes. So these are the Kirkland daily facial towelettes for all skin types, and you can get these at Costco. Whoops. This is one of the face creams that I've been trying out recently. This was in my last haul. I mentioned buying this. Is from Derma E. It's an age-defying night cream. And then this is a Dr. Jart Water Drop Hydrating Moisturizer. And then this is a Tarte Eye Cream. So this is the Tarte Maracuja Sea Brightener Eye Treatment. And then this is the night cream that I have been trying out. This is from the brand called Thalia. And this is a multi-mineral facial mud day cream. So this is the one I use at day. The Derma E one is night one. And then this is just the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom cream. So I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I just leave that for if I want to moisturize. And these are just 3 lotion samples that I've been using right now to try out. Moving on to my storage unit. This is how I kind of organize, and it doesn't look the greatest. I'm not perfect, so we're just gonna get started. The first drawer here is just all of my sunglasses. I have some Key Australia, Gucci, Marc Jacobs. I have some from Forever 21. My reading glasses, a Ray-Ban. These are just like a bunch of just random. I have some from Steve Madden. These are, I don't know what brands they are. I think these are from Forever 21. These are the ones from Aldo. Another Marc Jacobs one. So I just store my sunglasses here just because I didn't know where else to store them. The second drawer is all of my eyeliner, mascara, and eyebrow products. So it could be a little more organized, I know, but you know, it's really hard to organize so much makeup. But here I just have the mascaras that I'm using. So I have the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, the one with Shayla. I have this one from, I don't know, is it Maybelline? L'Oreal. This is the Voluminous Miss Manga. I have the one from Essence. Essence Beauty is actually one of my favorite mascaras, and they're super inexpensive. I have Bare Minerals Lash Domination. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I have Urban Decay one. This one, Givenchy, whatever. Another Essence one. These are just my mascaras. Here are eyeliners. So I have color crayon eyeliners. My Kat Von D Tattoo Ink Liner is my absolute favorite eyeliner in the entire world. I have Maybelline Precise Pro, another Kat Von D, Miss Girl Lactic Liner, crayons from NYX. Here I just have like NYX, Wet n Wild. I have the Balm Cosmetics. This is a liquid eyeliner, and this one is so good. It's called Schwang Black Liquid Eyeliner. So this is from Pretty Vulgar. I got this in a BoxyCharm box. And then my Anastasia Dip Brow. Here I just have some tools, so eyelash curler, eyelashes, and then I have these little razors, eyelash scissors. Right here I have all my brow products. So here are going to be all of my eyebrow gel. So I have the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Voluminizer, the Brow Gal by Tonya Crooks. This is another Brow Gal product by Tonya Crooks. This is the L'Oreal one, the name rubbed off. I've been trying this one and I have been liking it a lot. This is the Essence Make Me Brow eyeshadow gel. And then here I just have some pencils. So I have a bunch. I have from MAC, NYX, IT Cosmetics. I have 2 of them. NARS, a bunch of ColourPop, Benefit, just a bunch of eyebrow pencils that I have laying back there. And then on the side over here, I have some, oh wait, this doesn't go here. I'll move that to the drawer it belongs to. I have this eyeshadow, well, it's eyeshadow for it's brow shadow. This is also from Tonya Crooks. If you get a chance to try Tonya Crooks, I definitely recommend doing that. Anyways, next drawer is the third one down. These are my concealers and foundations. So here I have a bunch of concealers. I am obsessed with concealer. I think it has to be one of my favorite makeup in general products. So I have the Kat Von D, Tarte, Shape Tape. I have the Bye Bye Under Eye by Cosmetics. I have Estee Lauder. I have some Wet n Wild, Maybelline. I have Urban Decay, another IT Cosmetics. Which one is this one? This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I have another Wet n Wild one. I have this concealer palette that I got in a BoxyCharm. To be honest, I don't think I've ever used it. But yeah, I have that there. And then I just have a bunch of foundation. So the Estee Lauder Double Wear, of course, this is like a holy grail for so many people. I have Revlon, another Revlon True Match, the Too Faced Born This Way. I have MAC. This is one of my favorite. This is a Studio Fix NC20. I love that one. I have a ColourPop one. This is the one I have been recently using a lot. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I have been using this concealer a bunch, or foundation. I have some Wet n Wild foundation. And then here I have a bunch of sprays. So I have the Tatcha Dewy Mist Spray. I have Marc Jacobs, the coconut one. I have a bunch of MAC Fix Pluses. I think I have like 3 or 4 of those. This is a Cover FX Luminizing Spray. Another MAC Fix Plus. And then here I have my primers. So I have this Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. I have this one by Cover FX. This is the blurring primer. I use that one a lot. I have another spray from Boscia. It's a white charcoal. That's a pore clogging one. I have this Aquaphor lip protection. I like to use this one too to kind of prime my lips, so I put that there. This is the Dewy Finish NYX Long Lasting Setting Spray. This is a spot on brush cleaner. I just threw this in here because it's with spray. This is the Japanese Waterless brush cleaner. I have that there. And then behind here I have my eye concealer pots. So I have the NARS, some from NYX, MAC. Those are like paint pots. And then I have my eyelash glue and then eyeshadow primer. And then here are just some more primers. I have the Farsali drops. I have a anti-eye serum, anti-aging eye serum, the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, I have the Laura Mercier primer, one from Bare Minerals, the Prime Time. I just have a bunch back there, Smashbox. So these are like my face and eyeshadow primers. Moving on. My next drawer is my lipstick drawer. So here I have a bunch, and I've got to be honest, this has got to be like the hardest drawer to try to organize. There's just like no way to make this easy. So here I just have a bunch of lip liners. I have ColourPop. The majority is NYX. I have some MAC ones, Palladio, Oprah. I don't really have a favorite brand just because there's so many to try. It's really, really hard to say like which one's the best. Next drawer is my face highlighters, bronzers, and blushes. It was very hard to do this one because I just have so many products but not enough drawers to store them, and I just feel like blushes, they come in all different sizes, packaging, so it's very hard to kind of sort them out, but I tried to be as organized as possible. So over here are all of my blushes. So I have a bunch of different brands. I have this one from NYX. I have a couple MAC ones. These are all Milani. These are the butter ones, the butter blushes from Physicians Formula. One of these are from Kat Von D, another NYX one. And then I have a little Becca blush. I love this one. It is so cute. And then I'm the Makeup Geek. I have some Tarte ones. These are ColourPop, Wet n Wild, The Bomb Cosmetics, another Makeup Geek one. And then I kind of separate between bronzers and blushes by these tubes. So I have this bronzer by Temp2. This is another Temp2. These were from BoxyCharm. So this is a highlighting one and this is a bronzer. These are just some liquid illuminizers from Becca. I have these two. One is in the shade Opal and the other one Moonstone. So I have those. I have this one here. It's another Becca Skin Perfecting Illuminizer, and then this Temp2 liquid bronzer. For bronzers, I have this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, along with two more Chocolate Soleil samples. I have this Laura Mercier bronzer, which I absolutely love. This one is so good. This is the Bronze 03. This one is so good. It gives like such a pretty radiance to your face. I have this one from Pop Beauty. This one's actually pretty good. I have another Tarte one. So after this bronzer, I kind of move on to highlights. So these are all highlights. I have some from Dose of Colors. I have this one from Wet n Wild, Ofra, Rodeo Drive. I have some ColourPop ones. Becca, this is Pacifica. And in this drawer, this is my eyeshadow palette and face powder drawer. But I have this Makeup Geek one. This is another one from BoxyCharm that I got. And then I have this Desi and Katie, the eyeshadow palette. I have some loose shadows from ColourPop here. Here are all of my face powders. So I have this one from Ofra. I have Kat Von D, Cover FX, ColourPop. Ooh. I have the RCMA No Color powder, the Ben Nye Banana powder. I have two Airspun in different colors. There, another Laura Mercier. And then back here I have a bunch of eyeshadow palettes. The ColourPop with Kathleen Lights one. I have a NYX one. These are some BoxyCharms one that I got. Regular chocolate bar. Reina del Caribe by Alamar Cosmetics. I have the Anastasia Subculture. Lorac Pro. I have a Balm. And then I just have some Tarte ones. The Morphe Jaclyn Hill palettes are down there. Doesn't want to close now. So I keep those there. This is like my gifting / untouched makeup products, random stuff drawer. So here are a bunch of products that I've either gotten in BoxyCharm, things that I bought an extra of and just haven't used. So here are some Baddington lashes. I have my Ardell Demi Wispies there, a solid beauty blender cleaner. I have a bunch of brushes that are back here. I have a bunch of lipsticks that I haven't touched, eyebrow products. So this is kind of like my drawer. Like if it's someone's birthday, if I need to buy something, I'll kind of look in here. I have this Real Techniques sponge. I got this because it came with a pack of 2. This was on sale at Ulta the other day for $4, so I bought 2 of them. I just opened one. I didn't use it, but I just opened it. I thought it was super cute because it brings a case, and that was super inexpensive, so I got that to store there. I have the Cinema brush cleaner, Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, this pack of like sponges. Next is this drawer here. I guess you can say this is my spa drawer. So this is where I keep nose pore strips here. These are under eye gel pads. These are all lip masks, and then face masks go here. In here I just have like a bunch of random like face products, serums, cleansers. Here is the face mask section. So these are just brushes that I use for face masks. I like to keep them in a Ziploc bag for sanitary purposes. Then I have some masks, so from Origins. I have one from Bostia. So these are all like my mask section. Back here is just some Clarisonic, an extra Clarisonic brush head, Clarisonic cleanser. Here I just have some random like samples. And then here are another Ziploc bag of samples. These are labeled face because these are any face products. And then I have this one labeled primers because these are all face primers, shadow primers, things that I can just use on myself or on other people as well for primers. And then just to give you guys an overview again, this is all the storage. So you guys saw that, my desk. Oh, this actually will go in the unused product drawer. Keep that in there.